how to find your Amazon Prime account password. So if you are on Android, you can use the Google Password Manager, and on Apple or iOS devices, you can use the Passwords app. You can access the Google password by opening the Google browser and then go to Settings, click on three vertical dots and then Settings. And from here you can scroll down and click on the Google Password Manager. And from here you can use the search bar to search for the Amazon website or app or the Amazon Prime. And once you press on it, you will need to confirm to access the data. And from here you can view your email that you used for the account, and you can press the eye icon here to reveal the password. And to be able to see this, make sure that you use a Google account that is basically used on your browser mainly, where you used to sign up before to be able to find your saved passwords. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful. See you on the next one.